Alrighty, guys, we're so back. Oh yes, welcome back to Shotgun Mario 64. We're back in business, and I don't know where to go. We're basically missing like a lot. You can also give me like in the comments some suggestions about what to talk about, because I primarily don't know what to talk about in my videos. But since I am very tiny, I might have not many people actually telling me what I can do. I don't give a fuck about the cannon. So, yeah. Die. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely insane. The land of the free, but with Mario, is something I never expected to happen. Yeah. Welcome back to Mario 64 Shotgun Edition. Something. Honestly, I would love to do a 8 red coin challenge right now. But I think we were too late to that. Shoot. Okay, I still want to get up there before the goofy Cooper gets back. So from now on, this Let's Play is just going to be a little chill, a bit enjoyable. Whoa, I'm better than you. For God's sake. Oh! I might have made this a bit longer than it should be. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. Mate, you need some help? I think I killed him. He's going so slow. Doctor, take your meds. Hey. Hey! Stop cheating! What the hell? Oh my god. Whoa, what a moment to stop. Why are you not flying around now? He's definitely supposed to stand here too. He was inside the star. I don't know, man. I don't care. Let's continue our mission. I want to do the 100 coins mission now, because I believe it's a bit easier with this. With the normal Mario 64 gameplay, this gets really slow, but I think here it's doable. Ow. I want the coin. So greedy for a coin that I traveled through dozens of Indiana Jones adventures just to get one. That's insane. Die. Yeah, or just don't die the way you're supposed to. Die. It's so brutal. You're dying. Oh, of course, this also gives like a coin. So we're getting some coins you normally don't get. So I think this makes it very easy. The only levels I won't enjoy doing this 100 coin stuff in is the typical stuff in the water levels. Because they sadly don't speed up. Too sad. That's why I will do them at the end of the Let's Play. I think we pretty much can argue this will be like the last things we do. Now let's get all the coins, shall we? It's simple now because the shotgun. No useless running around. It's just okay, that looks very realistic, to be honest. 100% realistic, like realistic 64. The game we all ow. How did that work? It didn't touch me. It can't touch me. Or did it? I don't know. I will see in the video. You know what's crazy? Like originally, I was supposed to have like a 5th Let's Play. That's Dandy's World. I know not many people are like too fond of Roblox games, and especially about that game. But dude, I would love to like just check out some random games and look. Maybe they're good. Maybe the hate is like, maybe the hate makes sense. You know, just testing out. But dude, my PC lags so much. Like, even at freaking Roblox. I need a better PC. Oh god. I mean, even like, I think it might just be because of the settings of Roblox. Because I can run games like Repo very well, and I'm pretty sure I fucked this hub right here. That Repo is definitely a more more resource eating, like freaking Roblox, you know what I mean? It kind of does make sense, but maybe you know a good solution. Alright, easy star. Here we go! I think this might just be a nice little compilation of me doing lots of Mario 64 stars in the way they're not supposed to be done, I think. I don't know. And I have a sore throat. My throat, oh my god, my throat is burning. Holy fucking... I feel like hell has brewed in there. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. The pain. Holy shit. I definitely need to take some meds. Holy moly. I know none of you can feel what I felt right now, but holy shit. This was pain. Oh my god. Whew. What the hell? Why is my body killing me? Why do you do that, stupid body, man? I still feel like holy crap. That's how sore the throat was right now. That's incredible. Come on, Mario! Oh, okay. You suck ass. You suck ass, Mario. Mario, you suck ass. I hate you, Mario. Nah, just kidding. I wouldn't be playing as you, Mario, if I would hate you, Mario. Alright, let's do this simple and quick. Who needs pink Bob-omb buddies if we can just use it with the power of Americans? Or something. Okay. I want to get that coin. I know how you can actually like get all of them just with a single shot. And it's always feeling so good when you do that, but I suck ass. Just like Mario right now. But I will shoot that star. Come on. I kind of collected it in flight. That would have been so amazing if I flew into it and just collected it that way. But no. Life doesn't grant you that. Okay, well, let's get to Whomps Fortress now. Let's get some very, very easy stars To the top of the fortress we go. May the power of guns be with you. So. Oh, whoops. I didn't intend to do that. Are you? Okay. Sorry, not sorry. Well, shit. That's it with the bullet bill, I guess. Let's get some more. Let's get some more. Shooting in the wild blue is like an easy star. Easy. That was the quickest star ever. I think I can not ever get a star quicker than that. I mean, maybe there's some very, very, very crazy people who measure how long I take for every single star, but I hope there is nobody like that. Don't put all the time just into that. Why do you do it? Because that gives me lots of watch time and good retention rate, you know? That's pretty good. Please, look, everybody, look at how long I take for each star, and then, find out which one I took the longest, or which one I took the shortest. Oh yeah, that would be very cool. Very money hungry. I mean, okay, if you would be in my situation, you wouldn't be thinking differently. Now everybody's asking you the question, what are you talking about, Rusky? Private life isn't easy. Alright, let's get out of the deep talk and let's get bombing, let's get shooting with the shooting stars. Alright. Triple Mario jump. Almost. Oh, die. I want to do. Oh, okay. I didn't expect this guy to actually die. So you can kill stuff you can't normally kill. That's neat. I wish I had a backup plan to get up there with ease. Look, a backup plan just magically appeared. I just fucked up the backup plan. Well, let's try out the backup plan again. This time I did it. I'm such a good master at finding backup plans, you know? Not without breaking the machine, just because out of spite. Okay. And did we get our 100 coin store? One of the quickest ones in the game of the 100 coin stores is the one in Whomps Fortress, I feel like. I think what I can't talk anymore. The longest stars are definitely going to be one of the 100 coin missions. I don't know which one, but I have some very cool viewers that might take the job. No, just kidding. But if anybody will do that, holy crap, I will. I don't know, what will I do? I can't say anything. Or this might end up in an awkward way. Lost away the wall. Sorry. We do this the not preferred way. Oh man. Okay, I thought this would work. Why is my life so sad? Why is my life still so sad? Why is my life so sad? Come on. My life is not sad anymore. Yahoo! I'm so good at this game. Yeah. Good. I will not be checking out Jolly Roger Bay. because I don't want to. That's all I need to say. It's been long since this last time, so I don't know which stars of like which secret stars. I'm sorry, which secret stars I collected. I feel like we're gonna collect these secret stars, and also at the end because I don't know which ones I collected. Oh man, might be pain. Okay, Frosty Slide for 8 red coins. I would say. Let's do the 100 coin mission here right now. That should be doable. Because we have the entire slide open for us. Right in front of our eyes, we have the amazing digital Mario sliding raceway. And with the shotgun, we have... No. Mario. Wait, I need to do the cam like this, otherwise the game will kill me. You get these coins up here. Thank you, Mario. That's been very pleasant to work with you. Alright, easy coins. Ow. Stupid wall! Fuck. I'm killing your stupid wall. Oh my god. Stupid wall, man. Oh, these doors. Ba ba da ba ba. Cool. That was very cool of me. I should do that again. I mean, I already did it right in front of the penguin. How evil can you be? Well, I will show you how even more evil I can be. Oh, I forgot. No, I forgot. I forgot this is a shit. That means I have to do everything again. Oh, hey. That's the karma. Fuck you. I will kill your... I should not say that, otherwise YouTube will... YouTube will absolutely strike me down with the Lord in the name of Zeus. He will strike me with thunder. With a community guideline strike. Boom. It's over. And it hasn't even really started yet, come on. Stupid ball boy. Now we need to, are you... I hope this wall will memorize me. The next time I come down here, he shall see terror. And you die. Oh, hey. You know what? If I can't shoot you, I can still kill you another way. Bye bye. Stupid penguin, bro. Killed in a brutal manner. Just like how things should be. I'll do it up. Why do you live? I'll make you fall again. Till you memorize your actions. Bye bye. Ha. Bro, this is an infinite penguin machine. Then I'm going to kidnap you instead. I'm going to kidnap you. Let's take you on a wonderful adventure. Yahoo! Yeah, that's just how it should be done, you know? And now, you die in a brutal manner. The adventure's over. That was a close fucking call, holy moly. Cobb almost struck me again. But it realized maybe the penguin deserves it. Maybe it just deserves it. And I think my microphone is a bit quieter today, so I might excuse myself for that. And then it's just literally only music and you can't hear my voice at all. Nah, just kidding. Let's get the last coin. And we get the 8 red coin star for ease. Honestly, I want to finish like at least like what we can finish in like the main floor. It sounds cool. That sounds chill. Let's see what else fun thing we can do here in this level. We have the snowman, so we can just... Can I just... Boom. Oh. He became tinier. I want to shoot you. Nah, I'm not going to let you do this I'm not going to let you do this mission by surviving, you know? You're not going to survive. And thrive. We're going to solve this the brutal way. Because we're, for some reason, in the Undertale genocide route or something. You die. And now let's deal as like a real man. Oh, he just became a bit tinier. Wow. Aw, shucks, man. I can't kill him. Well, life can always be happy and wonderful. Life is not a Pony, Huff. Das Leben ist kein Ponyhof, meine Jungs. But you don't get damage at all. What the fuck? I think your balls might have started becoming tinier. The balls have decreased in size. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god. I think Snowman did not only lose his head, he lost his balls. And all the semen inside them. So, I heard wall clicks will work. I heard that the only thing that works is violence. And we're going to find out how good that violence works. Not as I expected. That's not what I expected. But look, I wasn't as violent, you know? And that was not the first try. I was just checking out how nice the ground is to me, and it's not nice to me, so I'm just going to go all in, full violence power, no pillows, no quills, all pure Dr. Eggman raw force, all being put into that jump. That was very close. So I heard wall jumps are in the hype. But I ain't doing the wall jumps. I ain't going for the hype, you know. And with that, we finished Coco Mountain. Yay! I am so good. Okay, I'll definitely get a few unsubs from that cringe voice. Well, shit. I'll kill that ghost. Oh, sure. Oh, shucks, you forgot. You can't kill ghosts, you stupid idiot. Well, guess what I'm killing instead? Nature. Fuck the nature. Mr. Beast. I hate your Team Trees thing. I only care about the Lorax because he speaks for the trees. But for some reason, they are speaking Spanish. The first one who moves is Mario. Yeah, I just rescued myself with that. Go on a ghost hunt. Wherever in this level, I didn't see. Well, let's do this quick. Ghosts don't die. Haven't you seen what I just did? You blind man. I mean, I feel like we did like all the free cap stuff. So these are like definitely the 3 of the 8 stars we collected. Why did I say it like that? Maybe the toad stars. Well, that was not supposed to happen. Can I just break this? Oh man, I have to go all around. Oh. I broke the fun. I'm such a miserably human creature. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. Shit, I think I might have soft-locked myself right now. I might not have soft-locked myself, that is neat. But honestly, I see a vision. No, I don't see a vision anymore. No! Oh, man. The elevator. Stupid elevator. Are you kidding me? Hello? What? That is the most corrupt elevator I've ever seen in my life. If I've ever seen one. Holy shit. Alright. It's only one missing. Let's get this over with. Oh, I am the Boom Master and I'm so scary and spooky and skeletons. Yeah, keep talking, man. You're dead. So you can't talk anymore. I'm so evil. Holy moly. Yahoo! Best Mario impression ever. Yahoo! Oh, we actually never were in this level. Oh, because that's the literally only level we can't enter, I think. Like, without like collecting a few stars. That's the reason why. See, we learned something. All the kids learned something now. Today. Look, I kinda also have to be a bit educational, yeah? No, for the kids. They have to learn something out of my channel. And that is killing ghosts with a gun is possible. Meaning you will survive every majorly dangerous apocalyptic paranormal activity in America. So don't be scared, just buy yourself a shotgun and you will survive and thrive. By the way, please don't take it seriously, thanks. I don't want the police to stand in front of my door. It's just a random software that was open for no reason at all whatsoever. Okay, we want to like get everything here. But it's going to be difficult because there's still 5 more stars to be collected in here. I will... Honestly, I will collect the 100 star coin star now. I just want to know how long this will going to be taking. Grammar is not my English. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak not good English. I cannot speak English. Yeah, something like that. Then you should better not say that. So, okay. Some easy coins. And that's some easy coins too. And that box is not jumping anymore because it's right now dead. Okay. I will go down with quickly because I want to get these boosts here as well. Fuck the happiness. So, die. Die. How does it even hit them? They're like... That's a crazy shotgun. Alright. We're done here. Let's go up. It's definitely a bit quicker than the original. Hello. He couldn't even see me. And he died. I wanna know. Can you kill it? You can kill the piano. The only things that's left of you are the random piano things. I don't know. I have not the best English grammar. Well, rest in pieces. That's funny. Like I know some. I'm mostly like fluent in both English and German, but sometimes I know some words only in German. And funnily enough, since my mother language is German, it's pretty weird that sometimes I don't know the German word, but I only know the English one. It's hilarious. I don't know how that can happen, but it's happening all the time. Why didn't he do a wall jump? I wanted this to be epic. I guess no epicness for us. Well then. Oh hi. You think you're jump scaring me? You think you're Bali? Well, too bad. You're not Bali. You're only an eye. Like you can't even have hair. I don't know what I'm even talking about, but that's the commentary of a flower. What else do you expect? What do you expect, huh? What do you... Well, that was certainly something. Here we go! Yeah, that was absolute peak. This is probably going to be one of the longest parts, actually. I just want to finish this goddamn level. It can't be that hard. Die! I mean, die. Secret of the Haunted Books. Yes. Ow. I think this was actually the quickest star, and Mario, I think you might have a fence in your head. Big boost balcony. I wanted to do this without getting inside. A little challenge. Ow. That was certainly a good start for this challenge. That was easy. Yes. You're having no escape route here, mate. I only see the absolutely crazy flying and blue switch. I didn't know why I couldn't talk right now. Only one star missing. That's crazy. Big Boost Hunt, a speedrun. Just don't tell anybody that this is the shotgun mod, and everybody will believe me that I got the world record in this level. Oh yes. Yeah, that's how easy it goes, you know. That's just how easy it is. Okay, but this must be crazy quick. Easy. I don't even see anything. Normally you don't see anything, don't know when you will run into the eyeball, but now I just absolutely destroyed, bro. Didn't even get to breathe. That's crazy and mad. But yeah, that's it, I think. That's pretty much it. We got most of the first levels. The water levels only will be done like at the end because I don't want to do them. These are boring. So this will be like last minute content for the Bowser fight. Yeah, with that I would say thanks for watching. See you in another video and bye!